Good morning, guys. Our latest will be about David Mabuza, Paul Mashatine, and President Ramaphosa. Let's follow up on that. David Mabuza confirmed his resignation from the office of the presidency this past weekend. He made that announcement at his brother's funeral. According to media debates, he allegedly resigned a while ago, but they are saying President Ramaphosa does not want Paul Mashatile as his right-hand man, and that's why there are delays from his side to announce Mabuza's resignation. According to social media debates, Mr. President does not trust Mashatile, and he fears that Mashatile might sabotage him and cost him his presidency. This is according to what was discussed on social media. Please leave your comments down below and let us know of your take regarding this. In the next slide, please also listen to Mr. Mabuza when he was confirming his resignation. And that's all we have for now. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you again in the next update. Bye.
Conference, conference. Manje ke deputy president we ANC kodwa kule conference ukhethwe Paul Mashatine ukuthi abe deputy president udosho ke ukuthi hayi Mabuza so shili mina naye sivumelene nganithembisa uma ngila ngathi president ngiyomhlonipha ngize ngiphume so ngiphumile ngiyacabanga ukuthi labo basele batomhlonipha ngendelani na ngivulela lo khethwe conference ngoba naye ngiyambona yenyakaza kancane manje nami ngiyasheshisa ukuthi nike space so ngikhulumile ke na president ngamtshela